The Report tab allows admins to perform comprehensive analytics for their church. Clicking on the Report tab redirects you to a new page, which displays all reports generated by the admin. To generate a new report, click on the Generate button at the top right corner of the screen. This displays a modal with the following options: the report name, the date range for the report, i.e. the start and end dates, the type of reports. You can select the type of report from the drop-down provided. Field list. Select the various fields you want to see in your report. Clicking on the Export button allows your report to be generated and displayed in the table. Click on the Download button to download your generated report.